So I'm just going to quickly show you why you don't have to memorize every single multiplication problem, because if you know some, you know all. For example, if I give you the problem 6 times 8 and you don't know the problem, you don't know the answer, well, start with what you do know. For example, do you know 6 times 4? And if you do, then things are going to be good because each answer is going to add by 6. So 6 times 5. What is 24 plus 6? 30. 6 times 6, 36. Continue to add by 6. 6 times 7, add 6 here, 42, which means 6 times 8 has to be 48. Some people get really freaked out by times 12. Well, times 12 is very easy because if I say what's 5 times 12, start with what you do know. 5 times 10 is 60. No, sorry. 5 times 10 is 50. Gotta know that. 5 times 11, just add 5 more, 55. And 5 times 12, if the pattern continues, then yes, it would be 60. So you gotta use what you do know in order to find out what you don't know. One of the best ways to practice your multiplication tables is to count by numbers. So for example, if I want to memorize the sixth table, tables of sixes, I could count by sixes every day and see how fast I can go until I get to 60 or 66 or 72. Or I can count by sevens, because if you're able to count by that number, then no matter what, whenever you're a little bit lost with your multiplication, you'll be able to use your fingers pretty fast and find out the answer. For example, if I don't know what is 7 times 8, but I do know 7 times 6 equals 42, then 7 times 7 must be 49, then 7 times 8 must be 56. So again, use what you do know to answer what you don't know.